Welcome to the video on three-wire method of measurement of effective diameter of a thread. In this method, three equally sized wires are used, and out of these three wires, two wires are placed on one side and one wire is placed on the other side. This method ensures the alignment of anvil faces parallel to the thread axis. So this method is more accurate than other methods. In this method, the effective diameter is calculated using this diagram. Here h is the depth of thread and p is the pitch. The thread angle is denoted with the theta. The effective diameter is constructed, the effective diameter line is constructed at a distance of h by 2 from the root of the thread. The distance between the center of wire, that is A, and to the effective diameter, that is at C, is given as h. So first we have to determine the value of h from this. H is given by AD minus CD. Here AD is considering the triangle ABD. This triangle ABD. AD is given as AB cosec theta by 2. And we know that what is AB? AB is d by 2. So substituting in that equation, it is d by 2 cosec theta by 2. And the h, depth h is given as d cot theta by 2, considering the triangle given here. So this angle is theta by 2 and the opposite side is p by 2, that is pitch by 2. So that is d e cot theta by 2 is equal to p by 2 cot theta by 2, substituting d is equal to pitch by 2. And from here we can tell that CD is equal to h by 2. So that is half of p by 2 cot theta, that is it will become p by 4 cot theta by 2. Substituting the values of AD and CD in this equation of h, the equation of h will be in this form, that is d by 2 cosec theta by 2 minus p by 4 cot theta by 2. If h is known, we can construct an equation which is connecting the diameter over the pins and the effective diameter as m is equal to E plus 2h plus 2r. This 2r means we can replace 2r with d. Now this equation is equation number 1. We can find the value of effective diameter by knowing m, h and r. But in this concept, we are making a theoretical relationship for m. Then we are measuring this actual m using the micrometer, then comparing this theoretical value of m to the actual value. If both are same, then we will find the E using this equation. If both the values, that is the measured value and the theoretic values of m, are not correct, not same, then there is an error in any of these variables. That is either the error will be on E or the error will be on H, or otherwise the depth of thread may have the error, like that. So the effective diameter may not be correct. In order to derive a theoretical relationship for m, we substitute the value of h. This is the value of h, which is already derived, into the equation number 1, and finally we will get these are the results of that substitution, and we will combine this portion with this one, that is here also 2r term, here also 2r term is there, so that will be reduced to this form, 2r into 1 plus cosec theta by 2, and the remaining portion, that is p by 4 cot theta by 2, is written over here. Then slight modification has been done. This 2r is replaced with d, and this will be the final equation for m. This is our equation number 2. We can simplify this equation for m with the known values for different standards of thread. For a Whitworth thread, we know that the thread angle theta is equal to 55 degree, and depth of thread is given by 0.64 into p, 0.64 of the pitch. And also the E can be calculated as d minus 0.64 pitch, and the values for cosec theta by 2 and cot theta by 2 can be calculated, and it can be substituted to have the equation for simplified equation for m as d plus 3.1657d minus 1.605p. And the similar way, we can have the equation for the metric thread as m is equal to d minus 3d minus 1.5155p. After finding this theoretical relationship, we can measure the value of m practically using the micrometer, and then compare with the theoretical values using formula derived. And after finding the correct value of m, if the value of m is matching with the measured value of m is matching with the theoretical value, then we can find the E of that thread. Thank you for watching.